And let's start with the US dollar. Right now, we know the US dollar has been a little bit tricky to trade. It's been very volatile, and across the US majors, some of them you want to buy and it's US dollar strength, and some of them you want to sell and it's US dollar weakness, right? It's not all been moving in the same direction with the US dollar majors. But one trade I do like, well, let's have a look at these trades that I like, but they're not top-notch A1. Let me explain. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Now, on the weekly chart, right, again, we're looking at weekly charts. These are swing trades, right? We was in this downtrend, and then we just got what's known as crappy, poopy, terrible, rangy price action. Right, it's difficult to trade that, right? And then bang, we've got a break of all of this crappy price action. Now that suggests New Zealand US dollar buys, right? And yes, it does. I would look for a retrace into here, right, and then take price again just to the next psychological level. My targets, guys, are always the next psychological level or the next piece of support or resistance, right? Depending if you're buying or selling, right? Don't reach for the stars, just reach for the next logical area to take target, right? So this 6,000 level in here is what I'm aiming for. Now, if I look at the monthly chart here, now, these are swing trades. We need to look at the monthly chart, right? You can see that price is bouncing off a very important support level, right? So this would even suggest we're going to get further US dollar weakness, right? But if we look at it structurally, this was in an uptrend, but now it's in a downtrend. It's retraced literally to the moving average 20, which we know is very nice dynamic resistance. We could potentially get a, rebound back down to these lows according to the monthly. So with weekly and monthly, there's a little bit of conflict here, right? And please bear in mind, this monthly candle hasn't finished forming yet, right? We've still got, we've still got a couple of weeks, right? So, but having said all that, right, New Zealand dollar, US dollar is a buy idea, right? Like I say, retrace into here, take it back up to here.